Hello and welcome to Red Bull Ring. My name is Calvin van Linde from C-Up Racing. We're here in our simulator and I'm going to take you for a quick lap and a tour of Red Bull Ring. So first corner, approaching here in 5th gear. We come back down to 3rd gear. Important to get a very good exit here, straight on the exit. We really need to maximize our exit speed so that we can try and minimize the damage in the straight line compared to the Mercedes and the Bentley. Turn 2, approaching 6th gear, late braking down into 1st, and then here also extremely important to get on the power very early and to get a maximum exit speed. So now approaching turn 3, this is the end of the 1st sector. Hard braking. Here we'll come down to 2nd gear. Very important to get a good exit out of here as well as we approach the really technical part of the racetrack. So approach 4th gear, back down to 3rd, and this is really where you need a stable car, carrying maximum corner speed and really using all the surface of the track. Back down to 3rd gear, and here it's important to get a very good exit as you come out and now back into the last sector. Here it's really important to have a good aero balance of the car, very high speed. 4th gear, turn it in and then set it up for the last corner. Also important for a very good exit here. And there we go, that's a lap with me, Calvin van Linde. Look forward to seeing you in Red Bull Ring.